Welcome to Wheeler's Garage and Model Shop. Today we have the 69 Boss 302 Mustang in the shop and we will be assembling it. Now I missed the first part of showing you the parts trees, but I'm at the point where I'm separating parts by color and getting them on the skewers for paint. Nice handy way of holding on your parts. This is black, this is black, this is black. You get the drift. Here's aluminum, here's aluminum. We'll get these things into separate piles. According to colors, we'll assemble sub-assemblies such as these seats, putting the backs on and make them one assembly instead of trying to glue painted parts onto painted parts. Here's our dashboard, which we will detail. Have an extra engine in this part for some reason or another. Have our front and rear spoilers, some hood scoops, the front grille. That nice 69 Ford Mustang body. I've glued the mirrors on and the front clip. I like to have everything I can on there prior to paint. It's very hard to paint painted parts onto painted parts. You get a much better bond plastic to plastic. I've sub-assembled the engine, which will be Ford blue. On a sub-assembly, you usually have your two halves, your heads, your oil pan. Make sure you put it on the right direction. It will fit backwards, but it doesn't fit so well into the finished car. Put your heads on there and you paint this sub-assembly. This is how I do it. I will paint this sub-assembly as a whole, and then go ahead and deck it out with the other engine parts, such as the distributor, carburetor, what have you, the manifolds. We have a chrome tree here. Our bumpers. Got several different head or valve covers here. And our wheels. Got some really nice tires on this. I like it when they do the white lettering on them. These are some Firestones, wide ovals. We got our steering wheel here. I've been looking for the steering wheel post, but I haven't been able to locate it yet. That'll be a real drag if I don't have it, which does happen. Well, with that, I guess we'll go to paint.